Welcome back. It is the DMV Weave Doctor located in Bowie, Maryland. And honey, we are doing another custom unitive transformation, child. She just has a little bit thinning around the edges, but we're about to make her look amazing. Okay, we are doing like a very quick installation. Okay, a quick installation, child, for this situation. We're going to be putting a couple little cornrows up in there, honey, and then we're going to put a cap down. And that's one of the things that a lot of people do not realize. You do not have to put teensy weensy, teensy beensy little braids in people's head, because sometimes when you're doing that, it just makes it so much harder for removal and can cause people to have a lot more hair loss. You know, the whole point, I know, especially for the DMV Weave Doctor, is to make sure that we always try to promote hair growth at all costs, especially if the client is looking to do that. Now we're just combing it out. As you can see, her relaxer is going out. The Weave Doctor also does relaxers occasionally, even though that's not my favorite thing. I try to do everything that is natural and holistic for my client's care. All right, so we've done that. Now we've added on a nice little bald cap, a wig cap. This can be purchased at any beauty supply store. Probably going to start offering some other different type of caps. But this cap, a lot of people, when we put this cap on, child, they be about to go crazy, because some of these caps don't match your complexion. Okay, but we colored it to the, as close as we could. And now we're just applying some of our different adhesives, trying to get her ready. She wanted something that was pretty durable, but wasn't to the point where it's going to be taking up all of her, she didn't want all that glue and stuff all on her head. So this is just a more easy, low, less invasive way of installing a unit. All right, now we're going to work. Had to do a little bit of customize around the edges, not that much, just enough, child. We're just plugging it back and forth. A lot of people don't realize is that when you do not offer this service around the, when you don't do this, your hairlines and your wigs will not look as natural. And we're just plugging. This was a custom-made, handmade unit by the DMV Weave Doctor. I believe it might be a transparent lace. And now we actually are going backwards. But this is just showing you before we did the plugging. This is what it looks like. Just putting it on. We had to actually use the handheld blow dryer to do that, to put the wig on. Now we're going to be blowing it out, because a lot of this hair, when it comes in this natural state, and once it gets wet, it just starts to get frizzy and just all over the place. And we gotta make it where the hair is just a nice smooth foundation for styling. So we're going to be doing that a couple of minutes. And we were kind of like in a rush. I almost forgot that we had to do her transformation today. She's going to be going to a tropical island, and she wanted to make sure that she's looking amazing. Okay, now the Weave Doctor is doing some of her favorite part, even though I know there's so many people talking about they don't want to look like a baby. Okay, I don't care. The Weave Doctor is doing baby hairs today, period, point blank. So, we're doing her little baby hairs, honey, using our little products. Some people like to use mousse, some people like to use gel, some people like to use hairspray. It really depends on the stylist. And, right now we just giving her some little edges. Yeah, I said some little edges. We trying to hook her up so that she can be looking cute. Going on her trip, we want to make sure that she was going to be stunting like a daddy. Okay. Now, this little process takes a little bit amount of time. Sometimes you have to cut those baby hairs out properly. They got a thing online talking about no long baby hair. So that's something that we're trying to achieve. You don't want to add too much long, drawn out baby hairs, okay? Trying to do a little razor effect, little swoop-a-loop, okay? And I like to, pretty much put some of the baby hairs around the closure, and, especially where the part is going to be at, because people don't realize it really does make your actual install look so much better. Even if you don't like baby hairs, you might want to let your stylist do that for you, because unless you have a complete HD lace, and depending on how well that lace meshes to your skin, sometimes a different transparent lace Other the thick lace sometimes do not melt well on brown skin or African American women. It blends very well, I find, on very light complected women. Even then, the lace itself is just a very thick consistency. And so we're just taking more and more little swoops out. Okay, this is just how I do it. Okay, this is how we do it. Okay, na 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 na. All right, so we just swooping it, child, getting it right, getting it tight. I did the custom color on that unit, and it looks amazing. Now we're going to be just cleaning up the hair. You know, we're adding some layers in there, child. Make sure that it's bouncing and behaving. Want to make sure we get that hair, getting off them little raggedy split ends. A lot of people don't want, child, some of y'all be being cheap when you come to the hair salon. Want to hold on to every inch and every little chronicle of your little hair bundles that you purchased. But baby, people don't realize some of these bundles got split ends just like your own hair. And when it's like that, you know, you got to clean it up, especially after you do this hair coloring and stuff. It really can do a number on the actual hair itself. And as you can see, the wig doctor did some peekaboo highlights in the back. Boo boo, boo boo. Yes, honey, the wig doctor likes to have dimension when she does her color. Adding dimension to your client's color will make your clients love you. They be looking like they are, you know, like getting like the little celebrity Instagram stylist look. You know, just looking all flawless and elegant. So now I think we're just still cutting it. Now we're going to be styling it. Since we went through all the long work, just adding in some little basic curls, and then we're going to comb them out. And all right, bop boo bop boo, and doesn't she look amazing, child? So amazing, so amazing. Okay, and that's the back. Yes, look at the back. Okay, that's how we do it. This is how we do it, okay? If you're interested in booking a consultation to get an alopecia unit or just a custom wig by the name Dr. We're located in Bowie, Maryland. We also offer virtual services. We can ship your wig international, okay? The wig doctor got some type of connections. And just look at those peekaboo highlights coming out. All right, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Look at more of our videos. All right, love you, dolls.